Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will write a JavaScript program to find the maximum difference between adjacent elements in an array of integers. Let's get started. The goal is to determine the largest absolute differences between consecutive numbers in a given array. This problem helps us understand how to efficiently process sequential data. This code loops through the array and calculates the absolute difference between adjacent elements. It updates the maximum difference whenever a larger difference is found. Here's how we break it down step by step. First, we initialize max as -1 to store the maximum difference. Second, we loop through the array and calculate the absolute difference between adjacent elements. Then, we update max using Math.abs. Finally, we return the maximum difference. In this example, the largest difference is 5, calculated between 3 and 8. In this case, the maximum difference is 15, which occurs between 3 and 18. The ES6 version is concise, using arrow functions and combining the calculation and update to a single line within the loop. This algorithm is highly efficient with a time complexity of O (n), making it scalable for large datasets. It only uses a constant amount of extra space, ensuring optimal resource usage. To summarize, this program efficiently finds the maximum difference between adjacent elements in an array using a linear time approach. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.